How can you change the color of an object on your iPhone photos? Let me show you the best way, which I believe that you can use for this purpose. And if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you that way never miss anything important. So if you ask me, the best way would be to use the Lightroom app from Adobe, which means that you can import the clip into the editor, no problem with that. And like in the latest version of the photo editor in here, you have the ability to literally just select or use the masking feature. So it's right there at the bottom next to the editing tools. You're gonna tap on mask, so you'll be able to edit any part of the photo. And now you have more ways how you can set up the mask and choose where you want to change the color. So you can tap on the plus button and you can select the subject, right? So you can use the quick selection tool and it's going to automatically select it. Or you can select the sky if you have that common in your photos. You can choose the background, right? You will see more options, or even the brush tool to select the specific area, whatever. But once you select it like this, you'll be able to see which part of the image is selected, and now you are changing the color and effects only on that part of the image. So that's how you can change it. I am not saying that this is the only way you can do this, but by far this has to be the most favorite one for me. So let me know in the comments if you managed to successfully do it in your case as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.